In this video, I'll show you how to fix Lively Wallpaper not working on Windows 11. So these are our system settings. So Lively Wallpaper is currently working perfectly fine here on our Windows. So if you love to fix yours, open up your system settings, tap on the apps, and features. You need to come on in from the search, you need to type in Lively Wallpaper. So you need to tap on this, you need to tap on advanced options. So wait for it to load up. So this should be in always. Then scroll down, you'll see repair, you'll see the reset. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Then if you want to reset it, if this app isn't working right, reset it, the app data will be deleted. So once you do this too, it's gonna work out perfectly fine for you. Restart your system and you have fixed the issue. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe.